Jason at Canyon Adventure Bands. Today we have the Storyteller Overland Mode, and we are installing the GSS Garage Storage System Lite. This is a very lightweight system, and the idea of this is we're going to install it right here on the driver's side, eliminating any legs, and driver's side Murphy bed will sit right on top and give you storage from the outside, the inside, and when you're in the kitchen galley area as well. So when you get it, it'll be flat pack. We'll lay it all out like this. Piece of pipe with all the hardware. So you'll have a total of 16 nuts and bolts, and that'll bolt the ends on. And then you'll have 6 of these twist-on knobs for the shelf, and then you'll get 4 L-track to bolt it down to the floor. So let's get going. What I like to do is get the front up first, or the back, doesn't really matter. And then you'll get one end, kind of line these up. We have studs already pre-built in them. So once you get that in and all lined up, you can walk away from it. Now I'll get 4 nuts. I'm just going to get it started. Make sure you get them twisted on with your fingers first so you don't cross thread. Just like that, okay? So same thing, rubber on top. The slots are for the bottom for your L-track. Again, we're just going to slide that right in here. Started. Grab 4 more nuts. Those started. All right, that's 7/16. Okay, this just makes it a lot faster if you do have a drill. It's going to come down. Just like that. So these little slots here sit right on these studs. Okay, drop that in. Slide this over. Just like that. Now your shelf's in. Then I'm going to take these knobs here. I'm going to go underneath. And twist those on. 6 of them. Same thing here. back is as you tighten them, it sucks in a little closer. Okay, that's it. Now we'll grab our end. Line these holes. You start with the bottom, then kind of work your way up. You might have to just pull it out just like that. And then it all slides right in. I'll start on the top, get these started. Okay. Your drill wrench socket, start tightening that up. Remove bottoms first. Then I'll come up here. Alright guys, we have our GSS Lite put together. It's made for the Storyteller, although you can probably fit it in a lot of bands as long as your bed clears the height. It's 36 inches. We're going to install it now. So once you put it together, which is what probably took us 10 minutes to put together, you're going to, in your kit, the last 4 things that you have are our L-track studs. Okay? So we're going to go install those in the van. And let's take our nut and washer off. And then we're going to install this right on this end. See how that just locks into place? So let's do another one. I'm going to put one in here, but we're going to have to adjust the back is probably good to go. Because you can't really get, you can go here, but there's not enough room for our thing. So right there is great, and then we'll put the other one, we'll just go right here. But basically these are meant to slide right in the hole, and then they slide right into this piece here, and then that locks into place so it can't move, it can't do anything. Especially when you put our system on top and then use a washer and a nut to bolt it in. So we'll do both ends. It depends on what band you have. Some of this L tracks off, so if it doesn't work on the end, then you just move it over here, and that's pretty sufficient there. So let's line that up. Should be, one more over. Get this out, slide that over here. Looks good to me. You got 1, 2 holes, you got 1, 1.5, so we'll try to make that work. And then lastly, we'll put this in here just so it's in here, and we're gonna have to move it again. So ideally I could just turn this here like this, just so I can slide these and then turn it and then lock it into place when I find the home for it. So we'll get that going. Let's get our washers and nuts out of the way. Put that over here. We're going to use a 9/16 wrench or socket as well. And then let's get going. Okay, I was testing it out and I can go back one more. So that's the perfect. So basically I got a hole here, that's too close. I would never be able to, there's not enough meat on this to work right here because it would hit the wall. So that second hole right there is absolutely perfect. So I'll lift this on top, just like that, and then push it all the way forward. So let me go do the same on the back side. So I'll lift that up, pick this up, turn it, slide it back a little more. Right there. See, it's all locked into place. So now I can't go anywhere. Then I'm just going to lift this and drop it right down on it. Slide it all the way to here. I want this corner flush here. Okay, so I'm good there. I'm happy with that. See how it's nice and flush right here? So that's what we're looking for. Nice and flush with your water in. All right, so I got that fitted. So I got this last one on here, the L-track lined up. I put the washer and nut on, slid this over here, and then put that on. And then now I'm just gonna put the washer over it. Get it started. Now, before I go back and tighten everything down, I just want to make sure, again, I'm flush. Take that a little bit. Yep, I want to be nice and clean right here. Okay, now I can go in here and I can start cranking these down. All right, the ultimate test, when it's all said and done, just try to move it. As you can see, completely locked into place, bolted down, super strong. Now let's see, bed, sits right on the top, pushes back. Just like that. Now you have the GSS Lite. I believe this thing weighs right around 50 pounds. You can check it out on our website. I'll give you the exact weight to it. It's like 20 inches by 48 by 36. Everything is level all the way across. Your system sits on here. We have these rubber bumpers that are built into the top, so there's no rattle or vibration when you're going down the road. So this just sits right onto that. Solid. This is me hitting it. Nothing. That's it. That's the install for the GSS Lite. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and we're going to continue to come out with custom products here at our Fab Shop and Hurricane, Utah. We'll see you on the road.